Ever wonder what decides if you get that dream apartment or the best interest rate on a car loan? It's not magic, my friend, it's credit scores. These three little numbers hold immense power in your financial life. They represent your creditworthiness, a fancy way of saying how reliable you are at managing borrowed money. Now, there are different credit bureaus in the U.S., each with their own scoring system, but Transunion is one of the big three. Today, we're diving deep into what makes your Transunion score tick, the factors that influence it, and how you can keep that number climbing in the right direction. So, buckle up, grab your favorite budgeting app, or a pen and paper, old school, because we're about to unlock the secrets of a good Transunion score. The MVP, payment history, is king. Let's face it, paying your bills on time is the golden rule of credit. It shows lenders you're responsible and can be trusted to repay what you borrow. Late payments, missed payments, these are red flags that can seriously dent your Transunion score. Here's the breakdown. Always pay at least the minimum amount due on time. This might not get you to credit hero status, but it prevents major damage. Strive for on-time payments in full. This is the ultimate goal, building a consistent track record of reliability. Catch up on missed payments ASAP. The longer a delinquency lingers, the worse the impact. Negotiate with creditors if needed, but prioritize getting those payments current. Credit utilization, don't max out those cards. Imagine your credit limit as a magic spending limit. While it's tempting to max out that credit card for a shopping spree, it sends a negative signal to Transunion. Ideally, you want to keep your credit utilization ratio low. This means the amount of credit you're using compared to your total credit limit. Here's the sweet spot. Aim for a credit utilization ratio below 30%. The lower, the better. Don't max out your cards. Even if you can pay it all off at once, it might still raise a red flag. Strategize your spending. Use credit cards for manageable purchases you can pay off quickly. Credit history, the longer, the better. Transunion loves to see a long and healthy credit history. It shows you're not new to the credit game and have a proven track record. So, don't close old accounts in good standing, even if you don't use them anymore. That age adds weight to your credit profile. Here's the key. Keep old credit accounts open, even if inactive. Apply for new credit strategically. Don't go on a credit card application frenzy. Aim for a healthy mix of credit cards, loans, etc. Types of credit, it's not just about cards. While credit cards are commonplace, Transunion values a diverse credit mix. Having different types of credit, like student loans or a car loan managed responsibly, demonstrates your ability to handle various financial obligations. The recipe for success. Consider a mix of credit cards, installment loans, etc. Manage all your credit responsibly, regardless of the type. Credit inquiries, keep the snooping down. Every time you apply for a new credit card, loan, or even have your credit checked for renting an apartment, it triggers a hard inquiry. These inquiries can slightly lower your Transunion score, especially if they happen frequently. Here's how to minimize the impact. Shop around for credit offers cautiously. Don't apply for everything under the sun. Space out credit applications. Give your score some breathing room between inquiries. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Building a good Transunion score takes time and consistent effort. Don't get discouraged if your score isn't stellar overnight. By following these tips and practicing responsible credit management, you'll see that number climb steadily. Monitor your credit report regularly. You're entitled to a free credit report from each bureau, including Transunion, every year. Review it for errors and take steps to correct them if needed. Inaccurate information can negatively impact your score. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.